As you can see, I have a standard Motorola barcode reader along with me, and yeah, some barcode printed on. So what I'll do is I'll straight away take input from this barcode. So if you hear the beep voices, it's always from this barcode machines. So yeah, I'll show you with the screen how everything works, and let's start how things works with the module. Okay, now we are back to the OpenERP screen. I'm just going to create few products with some barcodes on it. Just going to create my first product. Let's call it, I'd say, test product 1. I'll also assign some EAN code onto it, so it's 178062433. Yeah. So that's the EAN code I have assigned to the product. Saved it. I'm creating one more product, calling it test product 2. I'm assigning one more barcode to it. It's 4006381333931. Saving it. And this is all a standard OpenERP functionality, but what we have extended will be in front of you in few seconds. So I'm just making a standard sales order with the products. Let's say test product 1, quantity would be 8. Test product 2, quantity is 5. Just closing. Okay, so we have two products, and now I'm confirming this order. This will generate delivery order, a standard OpenERP delivery order. So if I go to the delivery order, I can see this goods are in waiting, or delivery order is in waiting. As a warehouse manager, now it would be my duty whether I want to process this delivery order or I would like to skip it. So if I decide, okay, we should proceed this order, I can just do availability check or force availability. Okay, now we are going, or at the, I would say, delivery station, there would be this screen available. We call it stock delivery screen, which would look something like this. Sorry. Yeah, could look something like this. Here I can see all the outgoing orders that I'm supposed to deliver, and this screen is fully touch screen enabled, so we don't need to key in anything. I can select the order that I wish to deliver. I just select this order, and you can see all the details would be loaded over here along with the address and everything. Now I have two products, and both had its own EAN 13 numbers, so I don't need to key in the product code or product number or anything. I just need to scan the product and it will generate the package. As you can see, the package has been generated automatically. Now if I want to scan another product, I can just say scan another product, and it will add the second product. Now if I scan the same product again, it will just increase the quantity. Now in other scenario, if I have more than, I would say, 5-10 products, if I don't want to keep on, I would say, scanning the products, I can just select the product and change the quantity straight. So it's a fully touch screen enabled. You can just select any order or any product, or if you don't want To have the product, you can just click on the cancel and that product will be removed and our order details would be again resetted. Now again, if in case there are some products which are not in their order, which are not in the order, but if you still scans the order or still scan some other barcodes, like if I scan the wrong barcode or product which is not there in the list, so system will not add that product or will not do any kind of I would say error messages or anything. It will straight away ignore the barcode. But if it's a valid barcode, it will straight away add that product to the packaging. So here you can see I have added these two products to a packaging. Now if again in I would say in a real warehouse scenario, there could be possibilities like you sell products in set of packages. So we can make this as a one package and click on the pack. So this will generate one package. Now I can again start making one more package. So I have another package as well. I can click on the pack. So again, now I can navigate through those packages as well. So if even if I have packed anything, I can click on that package. I can delete that package and send goods back to the warehouse, or I would say done the packaging. Then I can click on the done button and this will send this package to OpenERP. Now the beauty of this is it will work also in offline mode as well. So even if you don't have your OpenERP server connectivity or your OpenERP server is down for a few moments, your warehouse people can still work. They can still mark the delivery orders and everything, and your order positioning will remain the same. So if I go to the out order number 11, you can see here these are the remaining, and this is the back order that has been generated, which was sent by us, which is now in a done state. So you can see the products clearly. So if I go back to the OpenERP screen, I can see the quantity which is remaining there. Now here we can also do the print as well. Like we can straight away print the package details that if you wish to send out with the packing itself. So we can just generate the package, and it's not like always we have to use the barcode scanner. Without barcode scanner we can still use this I would say screen. We just need to click on the products and that's it. It will keep on adding. It will work same way the barcode scanner works. We can just generate this and we can print it. This will generate a PDF order as well. So we can straight away put this information to any kind of thermal printer or thermal label printer. Sorry. So this one will work with any browser or any browser which supports offline data storage as well. So I would say that was it from our side for the presentation. If anyone has any questions, please feel free to ask. Any questions from the audience? We are going to, yes, that's really nice question, and I was expecting this, like what about the production lot or batch numbers? We are actually enhancing this screen to enable you not only the production lot or batch numbers, but it will also allow you to print, I would say, the invoice here from the screen itself, or it will also allow you to integrate with your shipping shipper or shipping companies. So you can print your shipping codes from here itself, so it can either directly communicate with your UPS or DHL or USPS, anything. So it will be the single screen which will handle all the delivery needs. We are going to implement that part for batch and lot numbers. Any other questions? Yes, we are also, this same screen can be used for the incoming goods as well. So we can use it for processing the incoming goods or incoming shipments, we can say. This can be used for the both way, and yes, this, and we can, I would say in future what we are planning is to separate two screens, like one would be for the incoming and one separate one for the outgoing. So in case if we need, like, would say more extension or more extension of functionality in certain parts, we can do that. Any other questions from audience? Yes, we are going to upload this webinar to our VNC's YouTube channel. We will be sharing the YouTube link via our Twitter account as well, and we'll be also emailing. We'll be emailing the links as well, so you can see this. Yes, it can work with mobile devices, but to be frank, we have not tested it yet on the mobile devices, but it can surely work with the mobile devices. But we are also planning to port it to some of the smaller Motorola devices, which would be which will have around Windows CE or Windows CE in the operating system. So we are also going to test it for that part as well. But we, at the moment, we have not tested it on the mobile devices. Any other queries, questions, please feel free. Okay, I think that's it from our side. We will see you in next webinar. And if you have any queries or anything, please feel free to email us or come to our website. We can surely have a communication. Please feel free to ask even on our Twitter account. We'll be happy to answer you. Thanks everyone for coming to the webinar. Thanks for joining. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice evening, everyone.